Good morning, my name is Darryl Turner. I'm the owner of Turner's Lawn Care. This is an instructional video on how to use a commercial lawnmower. As you can see here, I have a 52-inch X mark. These mowers very dangerous if you don't know how to operate them correctly. So come over here, follow me. Before you start mowing, you always want to check air pressure in your tires to make sure your deck's mowing evenly. You want to check your blades to make sure that they're sharp. The other thing is you want to check your oil on commercial mowers. There's dipsticks. You can check your oil. I've already checked mine. Check your air filter. You just want to make sure everything's up to par. Once that's done, you'll come over here. I like to explain these dials to you so you know exactly how to use it. Here you have your ignition, your PTO switch, which engage the blades and shuts them off, and your throttle. This particular model does not have a choke. There's no need for a choke. This here is what you call a quick shoot. It opens and closes. If you come around this way, you can see that this allows nothing to exit the deck. So if you're mowing things up, rocks, anything like that, you close this. You don't want it hitting anyone's buildings, anyone's houses, anyone in general. In order to operate this, there's one part I forgot to tell you. Here's the parking brake. You turn this brake on anytime that you're not mobile. This is a safety feature. You have to have this parking brake on before you can even turn the mower on. I'll demonstrate that for you. Without that on, the mower won't turn on. But with the parking brake on, the mower cranks right up. The other thing is, to operate a commercial mower like this, you have these levers here. Outside is a parking brake or idle. When you pull them in, you're engaging the wheels. So the clutch for the wheels. Forward, you push them forward, the mower goes forward. You pull them back, the mower goes back. If you push the right one forward, the mower will turn left. And if you push the left one forward, the mower will turn right. Same thing, if you pull the right one back, the mower will back to the right. If you pull the left one back, the mower will back to the left. And I'll demonstrate that for you here. That was just on how to maneuver the mower. If I want to engage the deck, I would simply just pull this PTO switch that engaged the blades, and I would also lock the deck so that the deck would cut at the proper height. If you come around this way, you'll see that there's a lever here, and it typical lawns are cut at 4 inches, so you can set the deck to however you want to cut it. There's a pin here. You just slide it in the correct groove. Make sure it's pushed all the way in. You'll push this out, and there's a level here. You just unlock it. It drops the deck. You push it back up, pull the pin, it raises the deck. So a quick overview of everything, and that'll wrap up this video. As you can see here, this lawn doesn't need any mowing. This purpose was generally a general purpose instructional video on how to use a commercial lawnmower and mow your yard. My name is Darryl Turner. This was an instructional video on how to mow your yard with a commercial lawnmower, and I'll see you next time.